Hello beautiful people, welcome to my channel. I know that most of us know this fruit up here. Yes, palm fruit and palm oil. Palm oil is extracted from palm fruit and a lot of us use it for majorly one purpose, and that is for cooking and eating. Some of us only use it to prepare meals. Some use it to make sauce, to eat yam or plantain. But I tell you that there is a lot more about palm oil. Today, I want to talk about palm oil as a beauty or a remedy for our skin. Most of us in this tropical uh, climate go out and walk in the sun. And after that, we begin to have sunburn, mostly in the tender part of our body, like the face. And I tell you that palm oil is one of the nature-giving remedy to clean up all those patches of sunburn. It may not be so quick like chemicals, but as nature, it will pamper your skin and return it to normal. You shouldn't take it for granted. Yes, it takes care of eczema also. And also, as it pampers your skin, it takes away not only the sunburn, but even wrinkles for those that are aging so fast. You can use it especially around your face, around your neck area. Just rub it gently like this and like this. You can do that before you take your bath 3 times a week. Put it on, allow it to go into the skin for like 2 hours, like 1 hour, then you shower. You can also wear it overnight so that in the morning you freshen up. And if you, like our old parents, they rub it lightly, even on their skin, on their body. But I know that today some of us may say it's going to stain our skin, our clothes, and all that. But rubbing it lightly on your face will also shield your face from the sun daily. If you are the type that goes out a lot and walk a lot in the sun, rubbing it lightly as a cream on your face, you will see how even your skin will look. You will see how young you will look. People will begin to imagine and ask you, what do you use? Nature is beautiful, and I'm telling us, let's take time, research on nature, and return to nature. You will not regret it. Try it out and you will give thanks. See you in my next video. Bye bye.